In front of me is OPPO Reno11 F, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is open Settings and click on Display and Brightness right away. Then after scrolling down, select Font and click on one of those to check it out at the top. After finding a perfect one for you, just hit Apply. If you want to access even more font styles, click on Font again and select More on the right. Then select one of those fonts. Hit Apply and log in to your OPPO account. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!